Hi, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the best app that will pay you from $150 to $3,000 every week by just performing a simple task like watching up YouTube a video that is 30 seconds video, playing up a game, taking up survey, and a lot of stuff that you can do. So if you're looking for the best app that can pay you for just performing or do this simple task, then watch this video to the end. Make sure you take every steps that I will show you here serious so that you will get everything that you need to know before you start. Make sure you use the link in the description so that you get the actual app that I'm talking about, because there are so many similar apps. So if you don't use that link, you may be lost from the app that I'm talking about. Without wasting my time, let me take you to the screen. Use the link in the description. It will take you to this app and install the app. After you have done installing it, open it. When you open it, we are going to sign up into this account. The first thing is to enter your email address, or you can use your email or your Google account to sign up straight forward. So here he said choose method of earning. Make money by playing games, filling out surveys, watching video, shopping online, or doing tasks. Then I go to the next, and it says log in to your account. You can skip this one. Okay, if you check at the dashboard here, I have nothing on my account, so let's go and verify our account and provide some info about ourselves and the rest. So go to verify your email address. Let's send the link to that email address and go in and verify our email address. So if you check on this dashboard, you can see that I have $0.01. It means I just watch one video on this platform. So if you come to earn more here, and you can see we have this here, choose the method of earning. It's a $1,000 point is for 1,000 points is for $1. So if you play if you play any games, you can play games and earn. You can fill out survey and earn. You can watch a video. So my favorite one is watching the video. So if I watch any one video that is for 30 seconds, I will be credited with 10 points, and this point will be converted to dollars. So if I watch one video, I'll get $0.01. So if I type on earn on this side, then you can see here, you come to this side, then it says out watch the video for 30 seconds to receive 7 points. Okay, so this one is for 7 points. So if I tap on this one, it will take me to the video. If they have a video available, it will take me to that point. So if you look at this side, after watching those video, you can see that I've gained another $0.03 on my account. And there are so many ways that you can earn. You can just perform a simple task here. So if I come to micro tasks, you could see they have some micro tasks here that I can perform. You can do this task, or you can start a course. You choose a subject and learn it, then you earn from it. And there are so many ways. So let's go to this task. You can see we have 5 tasks here. The first one is follow the social media platform. That's the Facebook platform. That one you earn 0.05. You join the discount account, you earn 0.04. You be a follow on this social media, 0.05. and if you come here, another social media, 0.05. and all these are some ways or means that you can do it and start earning from this platform. And we have also, they have a games on the platform that too you can join those games or play those games and earn from it. So if you come to this side, the games is a earned 0.01. so you can earn from 0.01 to $50 on any games. If you install the games, you can earn from it. So I can play this game, I can play this one, and the rest, then I will earn from it. And you come to the survey here, and one of my favorite too, you can fill out some surveys here. After, if you provide some details about yourself and you are eligible to for these surveys, you can do that and earn from it. So this one, if I do this survey with, it takes 16 minutes. So if I complete this survey, I'll get 276.00 points. To withdraw, you need to make sure you provide a withdrawal method, okay, or a payment method. The payment method, before you can add the payment method, you need to make sure you have reach $1 and above, so that you can add your payment method. So if you reach that level, you can add your payment method. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video. If you have any comment, put it in the comment section. I'll come in and answer you. You may ask, is it true that this app pay? Let's go to Play Store and read some review about this app. If I come to Play Store and type on this so if you see here, someone says, I recently started using the PaidWork make money app, and I must say it is an interesting platform for individual looking to earn some extra income. It means he just started it, and as you see here, about 100 people have found this helpful for them. And the next one, I just registered. I need some times to properly access this platform. Okay, so the next one says, I believe it would be a great app to earn money, most especially the micro tasks where you learn digital skills and take up jobs by. So all these are reviews about the app. It means the app is a legit app that you can make money from. So make sure you take attention and take it serious to help you make money from this app. Thank you for watching that video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video. If you have any comment, put it in the comment section. I'll come in and answer you.